Hey, good morning. It's chilly today, and it is Vlogmas day number, let me check, 11. Good thing I'm doing this so I can keep track of the date. So it is currently 35 degrees. It's a little after 7 in the morning, and I'm glad I did cover my vegetables and flowers because look at frost. Yikes. I haven't uncovered everything yet that I did cover. I want it to warm up a little bit and the sun come out, but I don't think it's going to be in the 30s really after this. I think more in the 40s at night. And guess what finally came in the mail today? My Baker's Creek magazine catalog, whatever you want to call it. And now I feel bad because I actually did email them a nice email. I just said, hey, I just wanted to follow up on my catalog. I put in a seed order and a catalog order back on the 28th. Could you just tell me the status of the catalog? I knew that was going to happen, but I finally got it. So I'll probably be looking through it all night, be getting my sticky notes out, my highlighter out. I'm excited. And you should see how many pages this thing is. I don't know if I'm going to get to bed tonight. And I'm going to be ordering everything. Good grief. And I can see how people get a tomato seed addiction because I'm seeing some different varieties of tomatoes that look just amazing, by the way. Flowers. Oh my, this is just wonderful.